how was my first month journey. In this video, I will share with you. So the day was 3rd November 2025. So in this day, I woke up early in the morning. After that, I wore my dress to attend my class. In this moment, I was a little bit afraid because just because of my overthinking. After that, I realized why I am nervous. I have to overcome this situation. After that, I have decided to take breath exercise. My first week, I totally focused on my course book. This was my wrong decision because end of the week I realized that I can't deliver myself properly. I am not able to speak in English properly. I shared my problem with my teacher and he suggested to me that if you want to achieve your fluency within a short period of time, you have to be a talkative. I'm bound to make a new schedule, and after following this schedule, and now I am remove my shyness. Now I'm confident in front of camera. This was my first month journey. So thank you so much.